The Fox and the Grapes. It was summer. It was very hot. A fox was walking in the forest. He was tired. He was thirsty and hungry. He was looking for food everywhere. But he couldn't find any food. Suddenly he saw the bunch of grapes from the vine. The grapes looked good and ripe. He was very happy. He wanted to eat grapes. But he couldn't get the grapes. It was very high. He jumped again and again. But he couldn't get the grapes. He jumped many times and he fell. He hurt himself. He sat down and looked at the grapes. He was angry because he couldn't get the grapes. He thought that probably the grapes were sour. So he decided not to eat the grapes. So the fox walked away.